Welcome to my channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Super 7 Slots Plus. We are at the Hard Rock in Wheatland. We're starting off our day at the All Aboard. You need 6 trains or 3 of the Dynamites for the bonus round, and the conductor as well. The grand is $8,318, so wish me luck. Here we go.
Welcome everybody. We're so glad to have you here. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. You'll get notified whenever we go live. And I'm going to go ahead and start a poll for y'all. Alright. So, once we fulfill the like goal, we'll do what you guys ask in this poll. Welcome. 203 of you here. So glad to have you.
Yeah, welcome. Had 4 that time, needed 2 more.
We have that poll set live at the bottom of the screen. Once we get to 50 likes,
I turned the service light on so that I can give him my card.
There's 110 of you in here. I know that we can do it.
One more.
We'll do what you guys ask. So go ahead and vote in that poll if you haven't already. Welcome.
Come on, trains. I'm putting in 20.
So next time, bring more, alright? You can fill this thing up with them, and the water's on put in the backpack. Yeah, guys, so we are streaming to
I gotta win.
Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch right now. Glad to have you all here.
Yeah, welcome everybody. Welcome for joining in on my live. I appreciate it.
Just so you know, I haven't posted this on the YouTube channel yet. I've been really busy, haven't had the chance to, but we're basically conducting an experiment right now. Hey Glenn, how you doing?
Hey Glenn.
Where we're gonna try to go live every single day for like the next
Monday through Friday.
Or pardon me, Monday through Friday for the next like 60 days or so. Welcome.
Oh, that's a good hit.
So yeah, that being said, ensure that you like and subscribe so that you're notified whenever we do go live. It'll be about this same time every weekday.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So how you been the last few days, Glenn? I hope well. We'll tap
3 more.
on your phone screen and like the tapestry down in the top right corner. Smash that like button on you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll be sure to put a reminder in it in the community section of YouTube for you guys coming up so that you know that we're doing this.
Quick question. Yes. I put the card in. I went to retrieve my. Here, let me show you.
Yeah, it won't
Put my
let her
card in.
access it.
It's doing that. Then I go to download.
Yeah, it's been cooking lately, hasn't it? It's been 115 here in Roseville.
And then I hit this. And then hit this. It says that every time. And it was doing that the last time I was here too. Can I give you my card and you take it to the... Yeah, let me take the photo of your card. That way it's... Okay. So it's doing it the last time you did it? Yeah, because I lost my guys. Here we go. Two more. One more. It wants to give it to me.
You win some, you lose some, whatever.
Two more. Yes.
There we go.
All aboard!
Like the gay guy said,
with the card
video,
game,
and
same
then we
thing
go
they do.
live. We're actually doing on a little experiment right now, 5 lives per day, or per week.
Can I grab your card real quick?
My mom was just trying to get a technical difficulty sorted out. Nice, Dad.
Maybe my life ID or anything?
It does, Miguel. That's one of the options in the poll. So go ahead and give us a vote.
Oh, I need
we'll
two
do
more.
it, whatever it ends up being.
You mind if I try another machine real quick just to see if it works?
They say you look for the best return player in a game in the slot machine. And anything that's over like 95, 0.95 is really, really good. But there is the occasional unicorn you find that is actually over a 1 RTP, which means you get more money back than you put in. And when you find those, they're there because they're lost leaders for certain events or whatever. Right?
It might be the machine because it just worked over here.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
I can show you what it does.
Let me grab this thing real quick.
Hello, goer Squatch, I think is what that says. Welcome to the stream.
Okay, so you go to download.
20 likes away.
Come here, sir.
Well, I got 290.
$2.90.
290.
Nice, good job, man.
Every time.
Hi,
It might
Crib.
be just the machine specific.
So if I tried it on a different one, it would show that it
Yeah.
doesn't even free play.
It should, because I said I just pulled the last one and it worked.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll just try it on a different machine. He says it's working on that other machine.
So it must be, okay.
It must be this machine.
Sorry about that.
No, that's all right.
You guys don't play anything else by chance?
Huh?
You guys don't play anything else?
Oh, no, we're good.
You guys do, let me know.
Thank you.
Come on. 6 trains. Trainsthebomb.com. Pumpkin says, hi, bro.
Hey.
What's up, Pumpkin? Likes away. There's 316 of you in here. I know you can do it.
Thank you for joining, everybody. One more. Oh, I saw it.
You seen it?
I did. Two more. Oh, I was one off. There's my one.
Thank you, curious viewer. Just like for me. CMF24, give you a thumbs up. Thank you, CMF24. Nice, Dad. Got another vote. This game is paying my dad right now.
He likes this game. He likes that game. The horses one. The Go West, I think it's called.
It's a fun little game. I've played it. Honestly, all the board games are really fun. You just really can't beat that train. It's just so... It's so winning. Really well. He's playing Go West, Glenn.
Hey everybody, that concludes our session. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Super 7 Slots Plus. We're at the Hard Rock in Wheatland. We're playing all aboard. You need 6 trains or 3 dynamites for the bonus round, and the conductor is wild. So wish me luck. A grand's $8,000.
Welcome, all 472 of you. So glad to have you. We are 12 likes away from fulfilling the poll at the bottom of the screen. So go ahead and vote in that poll and give us a like and what you guys asked.
talking about one in Texas.
Oh, that's right. I remember they're saying Corpus Christi. See, that gives you the gold medal. Hey.
Oh, I got 4 again.
6 trains.
3 more. Needed 3 more.
It's tempting.
1 more. Oh, it was right there.
Yeah.
Right there.
Working with the wind. 7 likes away.
Is he kicking butt over there?
He's getting bonus after bonus.
Good for him.
He said he's already at the 290.
We started with 250, I think.
Hi, Maisha. Train bonus to really set you ahead in this game.
Yeah. There's my 1 more.
Alright, we got 250. Let's see what they asked for. They would like one $7.50 bet.
I think this only goes up to $5 then.
Change the knob, right?
So 2 times 5 is 10. That would be 2 times 250 is 5. This one, right? 5. I don't know. This one is 250.
Yeah.
That's 5. That must be 750.
Alright.
Okay, 1 at it?
Yeah, 1.
Oh, that's wrong one.
Okay, so do that, since you messed it up. And now you can go back.
They ain't doing anything.
Yeah.
We might move.
Alright guys, we got another poll set at the bottom of the screen. Once we get to 100 likes, and I know it's possible, because there's 431 of you here with us today, 532 now, we'll do what you guys asked for in that poll. So click on it and let us know what you like.
1 more.
Come on, baby. Give her a win.
Otherwise, I have to go to a different machine.
Yeah. It's a win. Well, you started with 20 bucks, right?
Yeah. Well, I put my paper, which was last week's win, so and I put it in another 20 in. So I've only put in 20.
Baby. three dots in the top right corner and smash the like button. Thank you, Liz. Yeah, we're 31 likes away from fulfilling the poll at the bottom of the screen. Scott G gives you a bunch of more links.
Thank you.
Lamb Chop says, good luck today.
Thank you, Lamb Chop. Oh, I needed firecracker.
Dynamite.
Oh, dynamite. They both do the same thing. They explode.
Yeah, the one's a little more dangerous than the other.
Come on, you can do it.
It definitely gave you back all your money, though.
Yeah. One more.
Fancy Fallacy says, let's go gambling. 67 Slots puts out videos every day, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, Glenn.
One more. Yes.
Alright, you ready?
So I got the 3 dynamite again. So let's see if we can do better. We do something on the last one.
Get the training site.
Yeah, get me the train. Oh, that was a good hit. I thought If you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Super 7 Slots Plus. We're at the Hard Rock in Wheatland, California. We're playing Dynamite Dash on the All Aboard. You need 6 trains or 3 of the dynamite for the bonus round. And the conductor is wild. Wish me luck.
So the cost of each spin, if you want to talk about return to player, ends up being about 2 cents. But we're doing a 50-cent bet, each bet. And if you guys want to see a different one, go ahead and vote in the poll at the bottom of the screen and get us to 150 likes, and we'll do what you guys ask. Don't forget to subscribe to Super 7 Slots. They will be going live every day, except for weekends, like the gay guy says. Thank you, Mike.
Needed 2 more. That sounded good, didn't it? 3 more. Whoa.
It sounds like a Lean On Me song. But yeah, I should probably continue
2 more,
charity.
1 more, yes.
Yes. All aboard!
Almost got it back to back.
Welcome, all 544 of you.
Thank you. Thank you for joining my live stream.
And the gay guy says, everyone double tap your phone and like, or tap the 3 dots in the top right corner and smash that like button to fulfill the goal. Thank you, Glenn. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe. We post tons of new content every day. Good luck. I hope you hit the grand, Mary Potts says.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mary. Appreciate that. And we hope the same to you. Let's talk about yes, we are using our own money. And Mary Potts says you're welcome.
Okay, this is the last hand. Okay, so we're going to move over. We're going to go find a dragon link. Okay?
Let's do it.
So everybody go ahead.